This is an instructional video for Mota 6036 smartphone controlled helicopter. Let's get started. In your package, you should have received the 6036 smartphone controlled helicopter, the transmitter, parts pack, which includes the USB cable, screwdriver, 2 propellers, and 2 blades. Instructional manual, and warranty and support information. To start the helicopter, simply turn on the little switch at the bottom to the on position. The helicopter blue and red lights will go on, indicating the helicopter is now on. Now plug your transmitter into your device. Ensure that the volume is maximized all the way. Then press the on and off button in the middle of your screen. A blue light should turn on the transmitter. If you have some kind of a casing that goes around your device, you may need to remove it to make sure that the transmitter is all the way in. If you do not see this blue light, it could indicate that the transmitter battery is low and you may need to charge it. Once the helicopter lights are on and a blue light is shown on the transmitter, now you're ready for takeoff. If you find that there is no connection between your transmitter and the helicopter, meaning that if you increase the throttle nothing happens, turn everything off. Turn off the remote, hit the on and off button in the middle of your screen, turn the helicopter off, and restart the procedure. So helicopter back on and off button back on, and increase the throttle. There are some neat options on your remote control. The thumbtack on top allows you to control your helicopter by simply tilting your device. There are 3 different channels on this remote. This would be useful if you have 3 different helicopters of 6036 or other infrared devices and you want to simultaneously fly them. The light function has been disabled on 6036 as it interfered with controls. Trim is at the bottom of your screen. If your helicopter tends to lean to the left or to the right, you can stabilize it by using the trim. If there is no blue light on your transmitter, please make sure that the volume on your phone is maximized. Ensure that the transmitter is all the way in, transmitter is fully charged, and that the on and off button is on the on position. You may have to press it off and on several times to get this blue light to come on. If the blue light still doesn't come on the transmitter, please contact support. Charging a helicopter is easy. Simply plug in your USB cable into a USB cord and ensure that the USB turns red. Now simply take the other end and plug it into the transmitter. And notice how as soon as I plug it in to the transmitter, the light is going to go off. When the USB light is off, it's indicating that it's charging the unit. This can be the transmitter or the helicopter. When the transmitter is fully charged, the red light is going to come back. To charge the helicopter, make sure that the helicopter is in off mode. It will not charge the helicopter if the helicopter is on. With the same sequence as the transmitter, ensure that the USB cable is red when it is not plugged in, and that USB cable turns off as soon as the cable is connected to the helicopter. Once again, after the helicopter is fully charged, which should be in about 30 minutes, the USB cable will turn red.